This is Princeland, Assistant Professor at the Institute of Technology. Subject code CS8492 and subject Database Management System, second year, 4th semester, Regulation 2017. So this is the continuation of the previous video, normalization. So last video I have explained what are the problems faced if the table is not in the normalized form, that is problems without normalization, insertion, deletion and update anomalies. And first normal form, second normal form and third normal form. So in this video I'll explain you BCNF, that is Boyce Code normal form, fourth normal form and fifth normal form, and a small description about multi-value dependency and joint dependency. So first, BCNF, Boyce Code normal form. So for a table to be in BCNF, the following conditions must be satisfied. So it must be in third normal form, and for each functional dependency, that is x tends to y, x should be a super key. So a table is in BCNF. BCNF, it is the advanced version of 3NF. Okay, so I'll explain you with an example. Let's assume there is a company where employees work in more than one department. So we'll take the employee table. It consists of attributes employee ID, employee country, employee department, department type, and employee department number. So here 264 and 364, so work in the work in different countries in different department. So the functional dependencies of the table are, so employee ID, employee country, employee department, which consists of the subsets, department type, employee department number. The candidate key will be the combination of two attributes, that is employee ID and employee department. So the table is not in the Boyce Code normal form because neither employee department or employee ID should be the keys. So to convert the given table into BCNF, we decompose into three tables. So first table will be employee country table. It consists of attributes employee ID and employee country. And the second table is employment department table. So where you have the attribute employee department, department type, employee department number. The third table employee department mapping. So employee ID and employee department. So now the table is in Boyce Code normal form. So after decomposition, the functional dependencies will be, so employee ID, which tends to employee country, and employee department, which tends to the subsets, department type, employee department number. So now the employee ID and employee department will be the primary keys now. So the candidate keys for the first table employee ID, and the second table employee department, and the third table employee ID and employee department. So now the table is in BCNF because left side part of both the functional dependencies is a key. The next normal form is fourth normal form. A relation will be in fourth normal form if it is in Boyce Code normal form and has no multi-valued dependency. So for a dependency A tends to B, if for a single value of A, multiple values of B exist, then the relation will be a multi-value dependency. So I'll explain you with the student table. So student table, it consists of student ID, course and hobby. So the student ID 21, it consists of two different course and two different hobbies. So this 21 has multiple values, that is two courses, math and computer, and hobby dancing and singing. So there is a multi-value dependency on student ID, which leads to unnecessary repetition of data. So to make the above table in 4NF, we decompose this table into two tables, that is student course, student ID and course with attributes, student ID and course. In the second table, student hobby with attributes student ID and hobby. So now the table is in 4NF. So next one is fifth normal form. If a table is in a relation is in fifth normal form, it should be in 4NF and it should not contain any joint dependency. So while joining the tables, there should be no loss. So 5NF is satisfied when all the tables are broken into as many tables as possible in order to avoid redundancy. 5NF is also known as project join normal form, that is PJNF. I'll explain you with an example table. So let's consider the example table with attribute subject, lecturer, semester. So here the subject computer, math, chemistry, and lecturer and the names of the lecturer and semester 1 and 2. So in this table, John takes both computer and math class for semester 1, but he does not take math class for semester 2. So in this case, combination of all these fields required to identify a valid data. Suppose if we add a new semester as semester 3, but we don't know about the subject and who will be taking that subject, so we leave lecturer and subject as null. So to make the above table into 5NF, we can decompose it into 3 relations, that is P1, P2 and P3. So P1 table, so it consists of attributes semester, subject. So semester 1, semester 2 and subject computer, math, chemistry, math. And P2 subject and lecturer. The third table P3 semester and lecturer. So now the table is in fifth normal form. So next I am going to explain you what is multi-valued dependency. So multi-valued dependency occurs when two attributes in a table are independent of each other but both depend on a third attribute. Suppose there is a bike manufacturer company which produces two colors of each model every year. So this table consists of bike model, manufacturer year and color. So here the manufacturer year and color columns are dependent on bike model and independent of each other. So in this case, these two columns can be called as multi-valued dependent on bike model. So the representation of these dependencies is shown here. So bike model is dependent on manufacturer and the same bike model is multi-dependent on color. So next is joint dependency. So if a table can be recreated by joining multiple tables and each of this table have a subset of the attributes of the table, then the table is in joint dependency. It is a generalization of multi-value dependency. So this joint dependency can be related to 5NF, that is fifth normal form, and multi-value dependency it can be related to 4NF, that is fourth normal form. So let's take an example of employee table. It consists of attributes employee name, employee skills, employee job. So this table can be decomposed into following 3 tables, and therefore this table is not in fifth normal form. So 3 tables as employee skills, employee job and job skills. So the joint dependency will be employee name and employee skills, employee name and employee job, employee skills and employee job. So the above relations have joint dependency, so they are not in 5NF. That would mean that the joint relation of the above 3 relations is equal to our original relation employee. And this is a small recap of both the videos. Normal forms 1NF, 2NF, 3NF, BCNF, 4NF, 5NF. So 1NF, so there should be no repeating data groups, and 2NF no partial key dependency, 3NF no transitive dependency, BCNF reduce keys dependency, 4NF no multi-value dependency, 5NF no join dependency. And this denotes that each and every normal form is a subset of the other. Thank you.